Okay, welcome to I Squared Maths Academy, where numbers and variables actually mean mastery. Now, I want us to look at some questions and the short method or short way of approaching them. Yes, so these are past JAMB questions. Here we have question number 1, y is equal to sine 8x squared. Find the y all over the x. Question number 2, y is equal to cos 6x raised to the power 4. Find the y all over the x, down to question number 4. So we are going to be looking at the short method. Yes, that will save you time and also save your energy. Now, question number 1. Yes, question number 1. If y is equal to sine 8x squared, and you have to find the y all over the x. Now, the y all over the x, just differentiate sine. You know, when you differentiate sine, it gives you cos. So you have cos 8x squared, then you multiply it by the derivative of this function, which is 16x. So it means the answer is 16x cos 8x squared. That's the answer. Yes, now let's look at number 2 now. Number 2, y is equal to cos 6x raised to the power 4. And we're asked to find the y all over the x. Now, the y all over the x, now just differentiate this now. Remember, when you differentiate cos, the standard derivative of cos is minus sine. So when you differentiate cos this, it gives you minus sine 6x raised to the power 4. Then you times it by the derivative of this function. And when you differentiate 6x raised to the power 4, you multiply 4 times 6. That will give you 24. Then x raised to the power, you minus 1 from the power, which is 3. So it means the y all over the x will be equal to minus 24 x raised to the power of 3 sine 6 x raised to the power of 4. Yes, that's question number 2. Now let's see question number 3. Yes, question number 3. We have y is equal to tan 24x. And here we have to find the y all over the x. So the y all over the x will just be, you differentiate tan. And remember, the standard derivative of tan is x squared. When you differentiate tan x, it gives you sec square x. So it means in this case, because this 24x has actually taken the position of x, you treat it as function of the function. So when you differentiate tan 24x, it gives you sec square 24x. Then you times it by the derivative of this function that is taking the position of our x. So that will give us 24. Yes, when you differentiate 24x, it gives 24. So it means the y all over the x. The y all over the x will be equal to, we have 24 sec squared 24x. Yes, that's question number 3. Now let's look at question number 4. Now question number 4, we have y is equal to cos power 4x. Yes, and this is the same as saying cos x all raised to the power of 4. And here we are asked to find the y all over the x. So to get the y all over the x, the y dx will be equal to, you differentiate this. So that will be 4. Then here we have cos x raised to the power of 3. Then you times it by the derivative of the function. And what is actually the function there is cos x. So that will give us minus sine x. So it means the y all over the x will be equal to minus 4 sine x, then cos cube x. So that is how to apply the short method. Thank you so much for listening. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you once more.